Good morning everyone. My name is D. Sai Kumar, room number 209518262, Group Aeronautical, Subject Basic Electronical Engineering, Title DC Motors and its Applications. DC motor. Electrical motor, it is machine which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. AC motor that runs on alternating current, AC electricity. DC motor that runs on direct current, DC electricity. Principle of operation of DC motor. When current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. The given figure shows that how the DC motor works and the constructions of DC motor. The given figure shows construction and the parts of the DC motor is given: ammeter, armature, commutator, terminals and brushes, winding, starter magnets. The starter magnets are outside the layer, and armature and commutator terminals are parts of the DC motors. Here are the inner parts of construction of DC motors: a main field pole, main field coil, main pole mode, interpole coil, air gap, armature slot, armature shaft, armature winding, yoke and frame. Base. Function of each part of DC motor. Yoke. It is outer cover of DC motor is called as frame. It provides protection to the rotating and other part of the machine from moisture, dust, etc. Yoke is an iron body which provides the path for the flex to complete the magnetic circuit. It provides the mechanical support for the poles. Material use. Low reluctance materials such as cast iron, silicon, steel, rolled steel, cast steel, etc. Poles and pole core. Poles are electromagnets. The field winding is wound over it. It produces the magnetic flux. When the field winding is excited, the construction of pole is done using the lamination of particular shape. It reduces the power loss due to eddy current. Pole shoe. Pole shoe is an extended part of a pole due to its typical shape. It enlarges the area of the pole so that more flux can pass through the air gap to armature. Material use. Low reluctance magnetic materials such field winding. The coil wound on the pole core called field coils. Field coils are connected in series to form field winding. Current is passed through the field winding in a specific direction to magnetize the poles and pole shoes. Thus, magnetic field flux is produced in the air gap between the pole shoe and armature. Field winding is also called a exciting winding. Material use. For copper and conductor is copper. Due to current flowing through a field winding, alternate N and S poles are produced. The armature core is cylindrical drum mounted on shaft. It is provided with large number of slats all over its periphery, and it is parallel to the shaft axis. Armature conductors are placed in these slots. Armature core provides low reluctance path to the flux produced by the field winding. Material use. High permeability, low reluctance, cast steel or cast iron material is used. Laminated construction of iron core is used to minimize the eddy current losses. Commutator. It is a cylindrical drum mounted on a shaft along with armature core. It is made up of large number of wedge-shaped segments of hard-drawn copper. The segments are insulated from each other by thin layer of mica. Amateur winding are taped at various points and this taping are successfully connected various segments of commutator, functions of commutator. To convert the EMF generated internally into DC, it helps to produce unidirectional torque. Material user. It is made up of copper and insulating material between the segments in is mica. Brushes. Current are conducted from armature to the external load by the carbon brushes, which are held against the surface of commutator by springs. Functions of brushes. To collect the current from the commutator and apply it to the external load in generator and vice versa in motor. Material user. Brushes are made of carbon and they are rectangular in shape. Thank you.